What's good, Nayo Nation? What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the N, to the E, to the O, to the nation. Before we get into this video, you guys already know the drill, okay? I need you guys to hit that little bell somewhere here so you can be part of the notification squad. And I need you to go follow me on my social media at Rapetsoa on all social media platforms. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing a very well recommended video, okay? And this is the guide to picking the right Aliexpress hair vendor, which is something that I think a lot of people struggle with. But let me stop blabbing on about. We'll talk about the deets and the dats here now, okay? But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so for those of you that do not know, most of the wigs that I get, most of the wigs that many hair YouTubers, many hair influencers do get are from AliExpress, or they're from like international hair companies, okay? And I know a lot of people have been asking me, how do I pick the right hair vendor? Like, how do I know that I'm to trust this person? Because a lot of the time it's very difficult to trust online stores with anything, first of all. And then on top of that, it's from AliExpress. And a lot of people feel like it's not gonna come the wig isn't gonna come the way that they ordered it to be, okay? Some people have had issues. Some people have actually ordered wigs and their wigs have I get shot. So yeah guys, don't worry about it, don't even stress about it, because the girl, it is here to help you guys. Alright, well, alright, I got you. Alright guys, so I have 5 tips actually as to picking the right AliExpress hair vendor, okay? And right after talking about that, we're going to be installing a 360 lace frontal. You guys are probably wondering, Miguel, how when you've got braids on your... Listen, us we're organized, we have models, thank you. But anyway guys, let me get straight into the tips. So the first tip is to check the website, okay? So that is the first and foremost thing that I do. If I'm not impressed with the company's website, I do not buy from them. So the first thing that I do is I evaluate the website, okay? I look at the quality of the website, I look at how much effort is put into the website, I look at the pictures that they use, because a lot of the time these hair companies use the same pictures. A lot of the time they also use pictures of people who aren't their customers. So I'm like, whoa. So it's very important to look at the website of the company that you want to buy your hair from, look at the quality of the hair, and etc. With that comes looking at the ratings. That is something that is very important, especially with AliExpress hair vendors. So it's very important to look at the ratings. Personally, if the ratings are below 4.5 out of 5 stars, I don't order from them, or I don't work with them, just because I feel like I don't have a guarantee that your hair is going to come at the right quality, if that makes sense. So it's very important to look at the ratings of the hair company. All right. And then the third one is to look at the reviews. This is very important, guys. Just by the way, before I go any further with this is not a promo, this is not an ad for AliExpress, but if somebody from AliExpress is watching this, hit me up, let's go. But the third thing for me is that these are very important. Personally, for me, I find it even better if there's a South African review there as well, like 1 or 2, 3 or 4. Be very specific when you look at your reviews, okay? You yourself must know what it is that you want to get from this hair vendor. So for me, for example, the one thing that I mainly look at is the delivery time, as well as how long the hair lasted before it started shedding, or before it started getting messed up. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of the time, I will be the first to admit that a lot of the time, okay, I don't know if I'm the first, but you know what I mean. I will be the first to admit, why do I keep saying the first when I'm not the first? I would be one to admit that a lot of the times these AliExpress hair vendors, their hair doesn't really, the quality it's not sustained throughout. At some point it starts becoming a bit shaggy, and then you're like, oh, scary. Personally, I would not advise that you get anything from an AliExpress shop if there are no pictures for the reviews, because and then sometimes they be writing there in another language and you don't understand what they're saying, but because it has 5 out of 5 star rating, you want to get no. Bismart. The fourth one is obviously the pricing. The fourth one is to look at the pricing, okay? This one's very tricky. It is very tricky, because sometimes you feel like, why is it so cheap? I'm not very certain. I'm not sure. I don't have insurance, assurance. You know what I'm saying? But in terms of the pricing, it's also very important to look at the correlation between the pricing, the rating, the reviews, and the quality of the brand on its own. Do you understand? If the pricing is of a good price and the star rating is like 4.7 out of 5 and the reviews are really good and the quality is really good, then I mean you can deal with that, because if we're being quite honest guys, AliExpress is there for you to get something more affordable. It's not there to be on the same level as, I'm not gonna throw shade to some South African hair brands, which you know what I'm saying. It's not there to make your life expensive, it's there to make your life better. It's there to make you and your wallet happy. Hi guys, and then the fifth one for me is to look at the social media ratings, the social media interaction, the social media presence. It's very important to look at things like that. For example, the first thing that I do as soon as a wig brand says they want to work with me, as soon as somebody asks me if they can buy from this hair vendors, I look at their Instagram. I feel like that's a perfect representation of everything, because obviously the people that they post on their Instagram are people that have tagged them. Do you understand what I mean? So if I wear a wig from a certain company today, I'm going to tag them and they're going to repost it. So if ever they post pictures of people but they don't tag the people or they don't mention the people in any way whatsoever, then that is a little bit shaky, because you cannot be certain then that the video comes. I mean, you cannot be certain then that the person that they're posting is actually wearing their hair. And now we are going to go into how to install a 360 wig. The reason that I'm doing this is because I chose to do this because the hair that I've received is one of the best wigs I have ever gotten. And I've gotten quite a few wigs, if I do say so myself. This one is one of the best. The branding, the quality of the hair, the frontal, the hairline, everything that comes in the box, it is literally of such great quality that I literally felt like, you know what, I have to add this into this video. So this is just to show you guys an example of what would be a really good hair vendor to work with, or do you understand, or what to expect when you do receive your wig, what type of quality you should expect. Here's the box. Okay, here's the wig. The first thing that I loved about this wig already was the packaging. Please just look. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is literally so great. Even at the back, like, the packaging is beautiful. And then there's a couple of things in the box that I like really liked. The first one being the lashes. Guys, a lot of the time AliExpress hair vendors do give you lashes, but they're like those ones that you know you will never ever put on. Like, you'll give it to your like 12-year-old sister when she's feeling adventurous. But these ones are Mink 3D lashes. Let me say it again. Mink 3D lashes. Please, do you understand? Cool. So guys, these lashes are really pretty. Like, I found them so beautiful. You can't really see them in full force here, and I'm not gonna put them on, but trust me when I say that these lashes are of great quality. I really liked it. That was the first thing that like caught my eye about the whole entire box, was the lashes. So these are really nice. Now I want to show you guys this hair. Okay, this is a 26-inch 360. It's not a 360 lace frontal, I'm lying. It's a 26-inch 13x6 lace frontal. Okay, and guys, yeah, before you guys get excited, okay, the lace did not come cut. Okay, I cut it myself, so don't get it. Relax. And sweetie, I deliver to you angels, mwana. I deliver to you richness, mwana. I deliver to you hot girl summer, mwana. So this is the way, guys. Okay, the hairline is already pre-plucked, and when I say it was plucked for the gods, you guys will see it when I install it on my model. And this is literally such a greatly plucked wig. Okay, inside the wig, obviously, as per every other wig, there are the 3 clips. All right, and I tightened it to fit my model. So yeah, that is the wig, guys, and that is the packaging of the brand, and that is what left me most impressed with the brand. So now we are going to get straight into the installing. Let us present. Everybody say hi to my model. All right, guys, this is my model. Her name is Belizer. All right, this is my sister, guys, and she is going to be my model for the day. Are you ready, madam?
I'm ready, baby.
To have your hair installed.
Listen.
Once it's up, die. Thank you.